If you still believe you need a big team or a large office to build $1 million business, let me show you a far better way. Because in 2025, people are launching fully automated AI businesses that run 24/7 without a single employee. No staff. No overhead. Just smart systems powered by artificial intelligence. So in this video, I'll walk you through 5 AI businesses that you can start today and realistically scale to $1 million or more if you stay consistent. Let's begin. Business number 1. AI Automation Agency. Companies are willing to pay high fees to save time and reduce costs. And you can offer that by setting up AI chatbots, automated email replies, or workflow systems using tools like ChatGPT, Zapier, and Make.com. The best part is, you do not need to code or build anything from scratch. These tools already do the work. You just connect them and charge between $500 to $2,000 per setup, with monthly maintenance on top. One person. No employees. Unlimited clients. Business number 2. Faceless YouTube channel. Using ChatGPT for scripts, Pictory or Runway ML for videos, and 11 Labs for voiceovers, you can build a fully automated video channel in any niche, such as motivation, luxury, history, or AI news. Some creators are earning $10,000 to $50,000 per month from ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate income, without ever showing their face or hiring a team. Business number 3. Digital product empire. With tools like Canva AI, MidJourney, or Notion AI, you can create ebooks, planners, templates, and digital assets, and sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. Create the product once, and collect passive income forever. Many people quietly earn $200 to $1,000 per day from just one viral product. Business number 4. AI copywriting and content service. Every business needs blogs, ads, email campaigns, and website text. Tools like Jasper AI and Copy.ai allow you to deliver professional content in minutes. You can charge $50 to $200 per article, or $500 or more for monthly packages. And as more clients come in, AI helps you scale without hiring writers. Business number 5. AI course or coaching brand. You don't need to be an expert. You simply need to learn one AI skill, such as logo creation, chat automation, or AI video editing, and then teach it to others in a simple course or coaching program. Record it once, sell it thousands of times. Many creators are earning 6 figures teaching skills they learned just weeks ago. So, which AI business will you start first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want a step-by-step tutorial on any one of these, just say the word. Make sure to subscribe, because in the next video, I'll reveal 3 AI business models that require zero upfront work. AI handles everything. Your $1 million opportunity is right in front of you. Use it wisely, and make 2025 your breakthrough year.